A problem that this hungry Pallas's cat needs to solve. There are plenty of tiny rodents here. The problem is getting close enough to catch them. No easy task on an open plain. Time for a game of grandmother's footsteps. When her prey looks up, she freezes. When it looks away, she sneaks closer. Once within striking distance, she performs her greatest trick. Her waggling tail seems to mesmerize her prey. She will need to do this dozens of times a day, because she has 5 kittens to care for. They're barely 2 months old and have boundless energy. With the meal delivered, she tries to get some rest. But it's not long before she's off hunting again. Her mother's work is never done.